Hello, today we're going to be making some pumpkin pancakes. Yum, yum, yum. I don't know if your pumpkin season is over. Mine is not yet because I like pumpkin. Today we're going to need some pumpkin, eggs, sugar, milk, oil, vanilla. Then the dry ingredients, flour, salt, baking soda, ground cinnamon, nutmeg. You can use pumpkin spice for this. It tastes delicious. I just didn't have any on hand. So, mixing the wet ingredients, which is the eggs, pumpkin, oil, vanilla, milk. Combine that all together until it comes together, which takes just a few seconds. And then we're going to add in all the dry ingredients, and then we are ready for some rolling and baking and frying. So once we have this all smoothed out, as you can see, just add in the rest of the ingredients and then work it out. On the spices, you really can work it out how you like it. I just like not too overpowering in my pancakes, but so I like to do the flour in some portions, I guess, so it doesn't become clumpy. I add a half, mix it up, and then the other half, so you get this smooth mixture. Heat your non-stick skillet on medium heat. Put some oil and put your delicious pancakes to be fried. And then we flip. You're going to get this nice yellowy orange pancakes, which gives the pop color. And as you can see, they kind of poof up a little. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, and go put yourself some honey over that and some butter and have yourself a nice cup of coffee or tea. All the tea lovers. And as you can see, it becomes so moist. It's really moist on the inside and fluffy. Give this a shot. I want you guys to experience. Like and subscribe for great videos, and I'll see you next time.